Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction. Today we are into our new module that is Salesforce Flow, and the first unit in this module is choose the right automation tool. So in this video you will learn about the list of tools included in Salesforce Flow, about tools available for automating guided visual experiences and the comparison between the tools available for behind the scenes automation and the tools available for approval automation. First, let's see about the Salesforce Flow. Salesforce Flow provides declarative process automation for every Salesforce app, experience, and portal. Included in Salesforce Flow are two point and click automation tools. They are Flow Builder, which lets you build flows, and Process Builder, which lets you edit existing processes. To sum up the differences, Salesforce Flow is the name of the product. Flow Builder and Process Builder are the names of the tools. Use Flow Builder to make flows. Use Process Builder to refine existing processes. Here is the Flow Builder tool appears. So there is a toolbox which shows the elements, and these elements are put up here in a flow basis. And here is a process builder, and it shows about the process from the start to the stop, including all the processes with the conditions. Now let us see which automation tool is right for our use case. They have given the type of business processes, its description, and the available tools. The first business process is guided visual experience. It is described as the business processes that need input from users, whether they are employees or customers. The available tool is Flow Builder. Next business process is behind the scenes automation. It is described as business processes that get all necessary data from your Salesforce or a connected system. In other words, users' input isn't needed. The available tools are Flow Builder, which is recommended. The next one is Process Builder, used for existing processes, and the third tool is Apex. The third business process is approval automation. It is described as the business processes that determine how a record, like a time of request, gets approved by the right stakeholders. The available tool is approvals. Now let's see the use of flows, process, and Apex. First, let's see the use of Flow Builder. It is used for two business processes: to automate a guided visual experience and to start a behind the scene business process. So it is used when a user clicks something like a button, when a record is created, when a record is updated, and when a record is deleted. When a platform event occurs and at a specific time and frequency. For example, when an opportunity is won, your company wants a renewal opportunity to be created automatically. Next one is Process Builder. For all the behind the scenes automation needs, we recommend that you use Flow Builder. Use Process Builder only if you are already familiar with using it and you need to edit an existing process. To create a new automated process, use Flow Builder instead. So if you know Process Builder, you use Process Builder. Otherwise, you use Flow Builder. Process Builder contains some of the same functionality that Flow Builder does. Processes can start when a record is created, a record is updated, a platform event occurs. Next, let us see what is Apex. Use Apex when you need more functionality than is available in Flow Builder. Build the more complex functionality as invocable Apex method. Then call the resulting Apex as an Apex action in the process or as an Apex action element in the flow. Now let's know what is approval. Approval isn't included in Salesforce Flow. Note that is approval isn't included in Salesforce Flow. The included tool in Salesforce Flow is Flow Builder and Process Builder. But it offers a declarative way to automate something that Salesforce Flow doesn't cover. As said, Salesforce Flow does support automating how a record gets submitted for approval. You will learn more about approvals later in this module. Now, let's see our challenge. The first question is, which tools are included with the Salesforce Flow product? Option A, Lightning Experience and Flow Builder. Option B, Lightning App Builder and Process Builder. Option C, Flow Builder and Process Builder. Option D, Flow Builder, Process Builder and Approvals. As I have said now, the Salesforce Flow product includes two tools, that is Flow Builder and Process Builder. The second question is, which declarative tool would you use for the following use case? Guide customers through the process of troubleshooting issues with your product. Option A, Flow Builder. Option B, Approvals. Option C, Apex. As they have given the word guide, the answer will be Flow Builder. Third one, which declarative tool would you use for the following use case? When an opportunities discount is higher than 40%, notify the CEO via email and request sign off. Provide a way for the CEO to leave comments. The given options are option A, Flow Builder, option B, Approvals, option C, Apex. The given use case mentions about an approval needed from the CEO. So the tool used here will be Approvals. Fourth one, which declarative tool would you use for the following use case? When the annual revenue field exceeds 5 lakh on an account, automatically update the customer priority field to high. So the given options are option A, Flow Builder, option B, Approvals, and option C, Apex. So the answer is option A, Flow Builder. Now let's check this quiz. We have completed this unit successfully. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe and comment your queries.